Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story building on the western edge of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 309, a studio on the 3rd floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, you'll see your kitchen on the left with a refrigerator, an electric oven and range, and a microwave. Heading on into the living area, you'll see 5 pieces of furniture. A desk and desk chair, a full-size bed, a dresser, and a built-in bookshelf. Every studio has an air conditioner and a heating element. This apartment looks west toward Cayuga Street, and you get plenty of natural light even on a rainy day. One great feature of Commons West Apartments is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. This apartment comes with 2 closets, an open closet and storage area, and a closet with folding doors. Plenty of storage space. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a shower tub combo and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent for Commons West Apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 309. Call us today for availability.